Community channels make up the heart and soul of your community. Community channels is where members will engage in discussions, ask for help, access resources that you have available in your community. It is also where you will be able to also engage with your community members and organize the different groups within your community. Now, setting up a community channel can seem like a daunting task. Which channels do I start out with, and which channels don't I create right away? So in this video, what I'm going to do is walk you through the top 4 channels that we recommend that every community start out with when launching for the first time. So here are the most common channels that we recommend setting up and having in place before you launch your community. Start here, discussions, introductions, and ask for help. Now, the Start Here space will be where you house all of your new member onboarding resources. This can be how to update your payment information for your membership. This can be code of conduct. This can be how to download your community mobile app. This can be suggestion box links. Anything that new members need in order to be able to effectively navigate around and get started inside of your community should be housed in the Start Here channel. The next space that should be created and inside of your community is discussions. So the discussion channel will be where members engage in community discussions. It's where you will share resources with your community members. The next channel that we also recommend creating is introductions. This is where new members will be able to introduce themselves, and this space will be dedicated just to new member introduction, so members can introduce themselves to the whole community, and older members can reintroduce themselves if they haven't before. Then the final channel that we recommend creating is ask for help. So this is a space where members are able to ask questions, ask the community questions, ask you questions, and other members are also able to respond to any questions that's posted by other members. Now, how do you create channels inside of your community? So to create channels inside of your community, what you'll do is go into your community. You'll click on admin panel and you'll click on channels. And this will be your channel dashboard that will show you all of the channels that you created. Next, you'll click on create new and click on channels. Here you'll give your channel name and your channel description. And once you're done, you'll click save and your channel will be added to the channel dashboard. So I'm going to go into a channel that I've already created. I'm going to go into the ask for help. So here's our ask for help channel. I've titled the channel ask for help, and what I can do also is add an emoji to it. So for example, I'll just type in SOS and I'll add that emoji to it, and I can also add multiple other things as well. I can add a channel image, I can change the layout view for the channel, and I can configure access level, visibility, posting permission, and other general settings. So now I'm just gonna click save now and go back into my community. Now your community channels will appear on the left hand side of your community. Now if you want to reorder which channels come first inside of your community, what you'll do is you'll go into your admin panel and you will click on channels, and you will want to create a category. So categories are like a folder system for organizing your community channels. So you want to create categories to organize related channels inside of your community. So to create a category, you'll click on create new and click on categories and give a category a name, description, and you will assign channels to the category. So I've already created a category and I called the category community. The reason why I called it community is because all of the channels that I'm assigning to this category are all general community channels. Now, if I was to create If I had like a coaching program or a course, I can create a category using my course name or my coaching program name and create new channels that are related to that category. So once you're done creating the category, adding the category information, you can reorder the order that channels appear inside of a category. So I've just reordered that, and you click update. And now if you go back into your community, the order of your channels on the left hand side will change. Now here are some examples of how other community builders are using channels inside of their community. So this is Little Flower Yoga, and they have a community dedicated to their yoga teacher training. Now they've created a couple of channels. They've created like the Start Here channel. They've created the membership introduction channel, Ask for Help. You'll notice that Ask for Help has a different layout, and they've created a community discussions channel as well.